Lydite wireless fence tester fast, simple, reliable. One press to power on, ready to measure anytime. Its biggest highlight is ease of use. No grounding, no metal hooks. Just holding it close to measure. 7 bright LED indicators, clearly showing voltage from low to 10 kilovolts at a glance. Powered by built-in batteries, ready to test anytime. Low battery alert lets you replace it in time, so you never run out of power unexpectedly. Lightweight and portable. Fits right in your pocket. One device. Multiple uses, perfect for any fencing environment. Skip the hassle of grounding. Quickly check voltage and keep your fence safe 24/7. High market demand, ideal for bulk sales and loved by farm users. Lydite wireless fence tester, making testing easier and business smarter.